I wanted to make this unboxing video about the jeweler's mitre vise jig because I've wanted one for quite a while, and a lot of the reviews on Rio Grande and Amazon were less than stellar. Now this is the economy version, and it was about 50 bucks. There's what they call a professional version that's 200 bucks, but some of the reviews on that were not so great either. So I decided to take a chance on the cheaper one, and here's what I received from Rio Grande. Let's open the package up and see what we got. Comes in a plastic bag. Inside there we got a box, and there looks like there's a piece of wire and an Allen wrench. Inside the box we got our jig that's wrapped in plastic. And I can tell already it's well oiled. Alright, first glance, it looks pretty good. Lots of oil, of course, so there's no rust. That was a complaint that some had. But this looks good. Another complaint was that the screws didn't open very well. Possibly stripped or bent. That seems to be fine on this one. A lot of people complain that it was really hard to open. That's not the case here. These open just fine, and my hands are greasy, or oily. So that looks good. Now, what this thing does, you got the top section here. When you open it up, you can take like a strip of bezel wire and run it up against this little tab right here, like this. And this is when you want to do a 45-degree angle on something. So you pull it up to there and then tighten this down, like such. And then you can take your file and run it across the face of the jig and square up the end of that strip. Again, everything seems to be working all right. The bottom portion, again, you take your piece of wire or strip and put it in there up against this tab. Close it up. And it seems like all the surfaces mate very well. That's a good thing. And then you would, again, run your file across it, square up the end of that bezel wire. It's also got areas for doing square wire. I think you can see that. Square wire along here. You've got two round holes for round wire. I guess that's what this was, just to show you. Goes in there. And then there's Allen screws on the end so that you can tighten that up against the wire. You can see how it pokes out just a little bit, and you can square up the end of your wire with a file. So guys, that looks pretty good to me. I'm pleased with that. I will put it through its paces and come back and let you know if I find anything disturbing, or maybe I'll come back and let you know how great it is. So thanks for watching.